Now could we have the fifth entry? Jan Mitra Samdhan Kendra Gwalior.
Citizen faces problem in getting the government services and benefits of government schemes. Say a citizen wants to get the certificate from domicile certificate from district collector's office. All that either he has to travel to Tehsil headquarter or district headquarter, and obviously for that he has to travel 3 or 4 times, and his daily wage and cost of travel is the opportunity cost to get the certificate delivered to him. Now, in this special scenario, add the careless attitude of field functionaries. Say a visit to a nearby Tehsil headquarter. So what will happen? Might be possible, Patwari might be absent, revenue officers might be absent. So obviously to get the certificate, he has to travel 3 or 4 times. Obviously he will have to spend 300 or 400 rupees to get the citizen certificate. So what in Jan Mitra Samadhan Kendra, what we have done, we have made a common service center in the sector of 3 or 4 panchayat. And we have re-engineering that government service delivery process. That another thing in that center we have ensured using the biometric system that field functionaries should visit in this center to deliver the service. So obviously in that center we are using 2 types of services. One is the service delivery software, and another one is the biometric attendance monitoring system. So how we have piloted Jan Mitra? Jan Mitra we have started in a remote location of the Barai block, and in 5 or 6 panchayats we have identified 5 or 6 panchayat for one Jan Mitra Kendra. I mean 5 or 6 panchayat are serving for one Jan Mitra Kendra. And right now 47 Jan Mitra Kendras are functioning in district Gwalior. So how it is functioning? First of all, a villager or citizen will visit the nearest Jan Mitra center. He will give his demand. There are 75 demands and 13 departments we have included in Jan Mitra Samadhan Kendra. And next morning, actually immediately, we will give a computerized receipt to the concerned citizen. That is the demand we have received from you, and in that computerized receipt we have already mentioned that that much time we will take to deliver the demand. Next day the concerned field functionaries will visit in that center. He will give his biometric attendance, and at the time of the biometric attendance monitoring system we will hand over the demand letter to the concerned citizen. And he will have to fulfill his demand within a time limit period. And next evening, we will transfer the complete data to the district portal. And at district NIC, we compile the complete data. We host it over a specially designed website so that collector can see whether how many field functionaries are absent on a particular day, and what are the default cases at each Jan Mitra Samadhan Kendra. So in that, obviously one more thing, NIC recently developed one software that NREGS. We are using that decentralized NREGS in all these Jan Mitra Samadhan Kendra. This is the first time in Madhya Pradesh we are using the MNREGS data center through decentralized manner. And second thing is obviously innovation is service delivery. We are using it for time-bound manner. We are delivering service in a time-bound manner. And third one is the biometric attendance monitoring system. After collecting all these, the database, that is the biometric attendance as well as the demand monitoring, we are transmitting all these data to district headquarters. Later on, we host all the data in a specially designed website so that collector and higher officials can look the data and find out who are the defaulters. 70 services we have included apart from NREGS. And this is the software developed by NIC Gwalior. And obviously the opportunity cost, loss of the wage salary in traveling to the district headquarters saved. This is the cost saving using this software. One of the major problem actually we faced while developing and implementing this software, actually see in rural area there is a lot of power cuts are there. So instead of using the desktop system, what we have done, we are using inverter as well as we are using laptop. So that we can get the at least 7 to 8 hours working environment in all these centers. Second thing, instead of using the broadband, actually again the infrastructure problems are there, so we cannot use the directly broadband is not available in the rural area. So what we are using the data card, and we are trying to keep the data size as small as possible so that we can transfer it through email. Finally we merge it and host it on our website for detailed report. Again, because of the power crunch, we are using the dot matrix printer instead of the laser printer. Obviously, laser printer is taking, at the time of booting, it is taking too much power. And this is the image of the website which collector is using to monitor the overall performance of a particular center. And this is our progress report. So far, actually, this is a bit old graph. So far, we have received around 1,50,000 requests from the various citizens. Out of this, we have already disposed of 1,26,000, and we have disposed it before the time limit over. I mean, 98% cases we have disposed before the time limit before the time limit is over. And one more thing, actually this is a graph. This is a comparative study when we are using our system, that is domicile certificate, income certificate, all these things. A citizen certificate is taking around 30 days time to get delivered, while in Janmitra center we are delivering it within 10 days. This is because we are delivering service directly through the nearest Janmitra center instead of district headquarter and state headquarter. This is a small collage. Actually, visit of a particular functioning of a Janmitra Samadhan Kendra district Gwalior. And recently, Honorable Chief Minister visited one of the Janmitra Samadhan Kendra. This is our photograph of our Chief Minister. That is Honorable Chief Minister visiting, and along with the Collector Gwalior is looking after the work of the Janmitra Samadhan Kendra. India Today also published an article about that project. It is a digital discipline. In some time back, 1 or 2 months back. This is a snapshot of this article. Thank you.